How to turn videos to live wallpaper. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar. Now type videos to live wallpaper, then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this application and click on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing, simply tap on open, then tap on plus icon. Now tap on choose, then select the video, then tap on OK. Now tap on apply. Again tap on OK. Now simply go back, tap on the photo. Now tap on apply to. Now select lock screen or home screen. Then tap on apply. Now go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.